We have the 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. This vehicle has done just over 80,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, navigation, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a reversing camera. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather, black interior, and get a good view of our panoramic roof.